Hi everyone, the topic for today is Child Support Agency CSA. CSA or Child Support Agency is the government agency which deals with collection and payment of child support payment. Now what is child support payment? In case the couple is separated and they have got kids, so the partner who is not having custody will pay child support payments to the other partner who has custody of the kids. So they work as an agency for collection and payment of child support agency. Now why are we discussing in taxation? We are discussing this because they can deduct your payment from your tax refund, which means that in case you have a child support agency debt, you earn 100,000 last financial year, and just an example, your child support debt is 20,000 and you are not paying it. So in their record, based on your income, your child support debt is 20,000. They are going to take their debt from your tax refund. We have got a lot of clients, when they register with us, they have not done tax for last 15 years, 10 years. When we ask them why you have not done for so many years, although you are getting a refund every year, you are getting 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, why you have not done your refund, your tax return? They tell us we have not done it because even if you do, the money will go to child support agency. Well, that's not the right way. The right way is to lodge your tax in time, because even if you lodge late, your debt will still be there. On top of that, the tax office can charge you heavy penalties for late lodgement. They can impose GIC. Child support can also charge interest on late payments and whatnot, so they can even penalize you. It's not worth it. Always lodge in time to avoid any action by child support agency and by tax office. That is our advice to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.